Hey guys, today we're drawing a Christmas tree. My name is Dirag and I'm 5 years old. And it's almost snow season. It's snowing outside in my house. It's almost Christmas in the end of this month. Okay, let's start. Let's start with a little dot right there. Leave some space on top of it. We're drawing a star, okay? I have a dot right there. Now, let's make a curved line going just like that. Just like that. And the same thing on the side. Make a curved line. Just like that. Now, I have to make a line just like that. You can make some small and some big, okay? I made it like that. Now we make it again, and again. And when we're done, we can connect it like that. Okay, let me put that right there. That's where, this is where the stars can be, and this is where the whole body is gonna be. Okay? Now we make some more lines curving. Just like that. That's our Christmas tree. Now, let's make a zigzag. Oh, that was what I was thinking about what there was. Like that. Like a triangle shape. Down. Let's do this. Okay. I have to make that a little longer right now. Just like that. Because we have to make more. Last one. I did it. Make that a That's the second layer. Okay. Now it's time for the final layer. Almost. No, just kidding. We have 2 more layers left. Start from this way and make it wider. When we go down to the second part, we go wider and wider. I have it just like that. Now, let's make those zigzags now. Let's make them. Okay, just like that. And we make a triangle again, like that. Now we make a triangle. We go up, make a tiny triangle. We go here again. That. Like that. And we have to make that now. Just like that. That looks good. We start from this. Just let me make a line going just like this. This is the final layer, okay? And we're gonna make a mat inside. If you want to make birds around, you can. I'm drawing that squiggly line. No, that's not the squiggly line. Just kidding. I forgot the name. What was that? Zigzags. Making some small and some big. Just like that. I messed up. Cut up a little. Okay. Now let's make 2 lines for the stem. I'm making them straight as I can. You can make an inside Christmas tree or outside Christmas tree. I'm gonna make an inside one. There's like a mat around mine. Just connect that right there. Now this is his face. But he even is a star. I forgot that. He even is a star. I have that right there. That looks pretty good. Then we make one ornament right there. We're making the ornaments now. One ornament. You can make a lot in this one. Like 1, 2. Make a third one. 3. And this one I'm making a lot more. 3, 4. This one even more. Okay, now let's close up our markers. Okay, for the colors we will need green for that, for it here, and red for the ornaments. We're gonna color all of the ornaments black. No, I mean red. Okay, you know you can make shading under this by my black. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's start with my green color. The first piece, that green, that looks pretty good. Look at that green. It's so dark, I think you can't even see it. This green is so dark. It kind of looks like black now. I should have chosen another green for this. Look at how black that is. You may be thinking it's morning, but it's night. There's just a lamp by me. Now I guess it's time for the red. Get a red color. So we have to make it like that, like there's that light reflection. And to do that on all of them, you can make them different colors if you want to. You can make some designs on them or anything. Looks so good, but it took hours. That looks like a good Christmas tree right now. We're done with my red color. And brown. Yeah, that's brown. It looks like it's gray, but it's brown. Even after this, we need red again. I just have a yellow crayon. I'm gonna use a red crayon. Oh no. How I'm holding the camera, that's two. It's over here. It's two off this side, so I can't color my star. I did it. Now let's get my red. Just color down there. Not the bottom side, but you can leave the bottom side off if you want to. Or you can color it red too. I'm gonna leave it white. And I guess that's it. That's our Christmas tree right there. Okay, if you're watching for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel. And that's it. Bye.